Hi guys, welcome to Round Fundamental Biology again. Today in this video we are going to discuss about lipids. Lipids are soluble in non-polar solvents, insoluble in polar solvents. Because these are the long hydrocarbon chains are present. Due to hydrocarbon chains cannot dissolve polar solvents. Non-polar solvents like benzene, ether solvents can dissolve lipids, and the lipids are unlike proteins, nucleic acids, polysaccharides, not a polymer. Lipids are not a polymer, but it is included in biomolecules because of it present in acid insoluble whole. Lipids significantly perform several functions like storage and structural functions and protective functions. So these are the some functions: storage because it acts as a storage fuel, and the structural functions mainly membrane components made up of lipids and proteins, and the protective functions outer membrane of the bacteria mostly protected through the lipids, that is glycolipids act as a protective layer in bacteria. So some other functions also present like pigments, detergents, signaling molecules, and hormones, steroid hormones. So these are other functions also performed by lipids. And the most simplest form of lipids are fatty acids. Most simplest form of lipids are fatty acids. So fatty acids mainly contain even number of carbons. Most commonly found fatty acids are 16 carbon, 18 carbon and 20 carbon fatty acids commonly found in biological membranes of biological systems. So 16 carbon containing fatty acids are palmitic acid, stearic acid, arachidic acid. So these are the 16, 18, 20 carbon containing fatty acids which are probably found in biological membranes. And these fatty acids are like amino acids, amphoteric molecule, because long hydrocarbon chains, that is which gives hydrophobicity, and end carbon carboxylic group, that is gives hydrophilicity. So hydrophilicity present in the same molecule, that is called amphoteric molecule. Suppose this is 16 carbon chain, all the carbon hydrocarbons gives hydrophobicity. These are the group gives hydrophilic nature. So amphoteric molecule totally like amino acids. And fatty acids also different categorized based on their bonds, that is saturated, unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids means different hydrocarbons linked with the single bonds. Suppose palmitic acid, stearic acid and arachidic acid. These are all single carbons. Number of hydrocarbons all are single carbons connected with the single carbons. Suppose 16 carbons are there in palmitic acid, 18 carbons in stearic acid. Unsaturated fatty acids, the number of carbons connected with the one or more double bonds. Suppose one double bond, 2, 3. Number of double bonds, that is one or more than one double bonds containing fatty acids called unsaturated fatty acids. Example, palmitoleic acid, palmitoleic acid, oleic acid, and arachidonic acid. Not arachidic acid, arachidonic acid. Arachidic acid is saturated, arachidonic acid unsaturation. Palmitic acid saturated, palmitoleic acid unsaturation, and stearic acid saturated, oleic acid unsaturation. I hope this understand. Thank you.